The ELO USD exchange is close $0, which truly is very huge. Velo certainly for the most part has a medium-term opposition at $0, a sort of extremely significant manner. Velo's EMA especially in a real sense shows a kind of especially descending pattern. Kind of for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for especially truly 1 week from now and in every way that really matters, all things considered. Attempt to answer these habitually basically in a real sense got clarification on pressing issues. What explicitly by and large is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo. Entirely is Velo a kind of excellent venture, which for the most part is very huge. Velo support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. In any case, prior to plunging pretty most certainly profound into the Velo specialized examination, in a real sense let us most certainly explicitly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, or so they explicitly thought, market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,071,510,173,848 in an actually enormous manner incredibly. The essentially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $19,008,310,440 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 48.08% of the entry market while Ethereum sort of for the most part has a strength of 16.33%. In every way that really matters, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which is very critical, which for the most part especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,551.35 level after a vertical development of 0.07%. So Velo support and opposition levels and so on, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM truly sort of has seen a value decline of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.51, following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the especially kind of local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 1.33 and right now exchanging at 49 cents. All things considered, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking in a for the most part large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they really thought, which explicitly is genuinely critical. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a sort of essentially descending bearing for entirely present moment, which generally fundamentally shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an essentially significant manner. Right now, an especially sort of broad genuinely sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they essentially thought. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally sort of recognize essentially beautiful key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly in every practical sense shows that Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Support in every practical sense, explicitly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become genuinely sort of more especially sort of dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they in a real sense thought, which truly is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition generally in a real sense is a level at which vendors become most certainly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly all things considered, higher in every way that really matters, by and large significant way. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo sort of for the most part is exchanging at $0 and exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in an unpretentious manner, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. However, Velo explicitly for the most part has a value decline of 5.82% in the actually certainly last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week within in every practical sense. Complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD, which actually certainly is genuinely critical in a sort of significant manner. Velo value examination Velo cost examination for the 18th of June 2023 inside a reasonably for the most part everyday time period made sense of underneath, or so they certainly truly thought in a quite huge manner. We utilize kind of commonly relative strength index, moving reasonably genuinely normal union and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving extremely normal and dramatic moving genuinely normal to examine the future development of the Velo. Exceptionally further appearance how market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of in every practical sense. Whole cryptographic money market to $1071510173848 in an extremely enormous manner. The reasonably genuinely relative strength record shows that the Velo coin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI in every practical sense truly is at 30, exhibiting that the 18th of June 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense, in a real sense, walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for especially extremely 1 week from now and sort of by and large attempt to answer these much of the time for the most part commonly sought clarification on pressing issues. What truly is momentary cost expectation for Velo? In a real sense for the most part is Velo a decently especially wise speculation, which really is very huge. The VELO, USD moving extremely normal combination and uniqueness pointer sort of basically is showing a quite present moment certainly generally sell pretty especially signal as the MACD line for the most part especially is moving underneath truly kind of sign line which sort of certainly implies in a real sense bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout. By and large really in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. While Velo's Williams %R pointer sort of basically is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an oversold condition and outrageously momentary pattern vary inversion actually in a real sense is conceivable. Especially further appearance how these occasions especially really show that the market generally is going in a pretty descending bearing for certainly essentially present moment, which entirely shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which explicitly is very huge. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing in an unpretentious manner. Velo sort of is moving an especially sort of descending course as by and large bears effectively truly take the coin beneath quick help level of $0. Especially further appearance how following really are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo entirely is exchanging at $0 an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, or so they essentially thought, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Presently Velo should sort of basically track down a help at $0. In all likelihood the vendors could then focus on the significant help levels set at $0, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.08% of the entry market while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner. Ends Velo certainly in a real sense is presently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to especially suggest that the digital money actually generally is in a shaky circumstance that can't entirely the most part be redressed, which truly is genuinely huge, regardless of whether the cost in every practical sense is falling consistently. It for the most part is guessed that the two help levels will especially act as sort areas of strength for F and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the genuinely certain zone, showing how Velo entirely has a medium-term obstruction at $0 a very significant manner in a significant way.